In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide products from your Shopify site search, and the best part is, you won't need any apps or coding expertise to do it. It's a simple, straightforward process that will help you manage your product listings more effectively and ensure that certain products don't appear in your site search results unless you want them to. To begin with, what you need to do is navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a panel on the left side of the screen. This panel is your main navigation tool in Shopify, where you can access different sections of your store's settings. For our task today, you'll want to click on Products, which is prominently featured in this panel. By clicking on Products, you'll bring up a comprehensive list of all the items you currently have in your store. This list is essentially the control center for managing what appears on your site. Now, once you have the products list up on your screen, you'll want to look through it to identify the products that you don't want showing up in site searches. You may have various reasons for wanting certain products to be hidden. Perhaps they're seasonal items you plan to reintroduce later, or maybe they're special offers that you want to manage separately. Whatever your reasoning, find those products and check the boxes next to each one. This action will select the products you're aiming to exclude, preparing them for the next step. With your choices made and the boxes correctly checked, turn your attention to the top of the list. There, you'll see a button represented by 3 dots, commonly referred to as the More Options button. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides several options for what you can do with the products you've selected. From this drop-down, the choice you want is Exclude from Sales Channels. Click on it, and this simple action will prevent the selected products from appearing in your site's search results or on any other sales channels linked to your Shopify store. And just like that, you're done. In just a few clicks, without needing to handle any complex apps or engaging in tricky coding, you've successfully excluded products from your site's search results. This method provides an efficient way to streamline what your customers see and interact with, keeping your product offerings exactly the way you intend them to appear. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you're now able to manage your Shopify store's visibility with even greater ease. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!